The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, expected to go official in January 2025, is tipped to come in 4 colors: black, green, blue, and titanium. This information comes from reliable tipster Ice Universe, who said these are the regular options, and it's unclear how many online exclusive colors the smartphone will have. There's no word from Samsung about the Galaxy S25 Ultra yet, but thanks to leaked renders, we know what the smartphone will look like. It will have a punch-hole display on the front and a new camera design on the rear. That means the camera layout will remain the same, but the individual camera lenses will have a thick, dark ring around them. Rumors claim the rear camera setup will be a combination of 200-megapixel primary, ISOCELL HP2, 50-megapixel ultra-wide, 10-megapixel telephoto, 3 times optical, and 50-megapixel telephoto, 5 times optical units. The selfie camera is said to use a 12-megapixel sensor.